Hi, welcome back to my channel Glow Up Skin. I hope you all are doing really well. Today's video is about how to use aloe vera gel for acne and pimples. The clear gel inside of aloe vera leaves is used topically to soothe skin that has been burned or irritated, and some people use it to treat acne. The antibacterial qualities of aloe vera are probably what make it effective for topical use to treat acne. If your acne is mild to moderate and you have been looking for a gentle way to soothe your skin, try these natural home remedies. Remedy number 1, using pure aloe vera gel. It has been used for centuries to cleanse wounds, kill pain, and heal burns. Very few people are allergic to it, and applying it topically poses an extremely low risk. How to use: take pure aloe vera and applying it generously to your face in place of a cleanser. You will be boosting the blood flow in your skin and killing off harmful bacteria. You can also spot treat your acne breakout areas. Leave the aloe vera gel on your face overnight and wash it off in the morning to reduce redness and irritation. Remedy number 2, face mask. Take 1/4 tablespoon cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons pure honey, and 1 tablespoon fresh aloe vera gel. By combining all three for an at-home spot treatment, you will be upping your chances at smooth skin that is acne-free. Apply the mask to your face and relax while the mask does its magic for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash your face with lukewarm water. Remedy number 3, face mask. For this you need 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice, aloe vera gel 2 tablespoons. Apply this mixture evenly across your skin. Leave the mixture on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing off completely. Make sure you maintain a lemon juice to aloe ratio of about 8 to 1 so that you don't irritate or overwhelm your skin with the acidity of the citrus. Remedy number 4, DIY exfoliating scrub. For this you need 1/2 cup coconut oil, 1/2 cup white sugar, and 1/4 cup aloe vera gel. If you are interested in natural remedies for acne, you might want to combine aloe vera with coconut oil and sugar for a DIY exfoliator. To use, gently scrub the mixture over your face and avoid your eye area. Rinse well with water after using. Exfoliating your skin gets rid of dead skin cells that can clog your pores. I hope you liked the video. Click on like button, subscribe my channel and hit bell icon to get notification of all upcoming videos.